I'm Steen, the CEO of Scalers AI. In the last few months, we've been having a blast working with the NexCOBOT team, building this incredible demo. The NexCOBOT team and Scalers AI collaborated. We built this 7-axis robot. The NexCOBOT team delivered this custom gripper in weeks, and we built this conveyor system. In this particular component, we're actually having the robot pick up acetabular liners, which are critical components in artificial hips. And according to the FDA, about 500,000 people in the United States have had faulty hip implants, which lead to costly revision surgeries and, of course, reduce the quality of their life. And so what we're able to do here is we've integrated our segment anything model to actually expect the robot to pick up the acetabular liner. And then we also have a camera here where we're doing defect inspection, ensuring that each robotic component or each component is printed with high accuracy. And then the robot is sorting that once we use the Scalers AI defect detection model. As you can see, we recently had a failure come through here. So our computer vision model, our custom computer vision model is determining failures here. And then the robot will sort that into the failed bin. And so without costly visual-based inspection or multi-layered manufacturing lines, we're able to build these components. And also, by the way, we're 3D printing these acetabular liners. So with open programmable robots, 7-axis robots from NexCOM, EtherCAD technology, NexCOBOT's great controller, and 3D printing technology, we're able to drive really compelling innovation in the market. Thanks to the NexCOBOT team.